What's up, everybody? I grabbed a budget-friendly race boat to check out. You guys know I have the Traxxas Spartan, which is pretty pricey. This boat right here comes ready to run with a battery, a remote, and a charger. About $160, $170. Brushless motor, cooling system. Pretty much has everything you could want in a boat. It's completely waterproof, which the Traxxas Spartan is not. So I'm in love with that feature because when I'm running it in salt water, I won't have to clean it out as much. So today we're just going to throw it in the water and see how she goes. If you guys follow me, I don't like to read instruction manuals, but from what I see, for some reason you have to plug the boat in first and then the remote, which is pretty contrary to everything else I have. But check it out, it's got super loose steering. The thing is amazing. Loose? That's not the word I'm looking for. It's all right. All right. It's pretty windy today, so we gotta be careful. I don't want to flip this thing. I have to go get it. I gotta trim out the steering a little bit. Fast we can get it. I'm gonna go with the wind here, so I'm gonna flip. Full throttle. It's more like 30. This is how I'm going to get the speed. Normally, I have string to tie to the GoPro to inside the boat just in case it falls off. It doesn't, disappear forever, but I forgot string, so we're just going to be very careful. Let's see what kind of speed we get out of this. Oh, please stay on.
It's waterproof?
Let's see, right there, I probably only hit 25 miles an hour, but that is sketchy. Let's not lose the GoPro. I don't like it. I'm just messing around with it without it for a couple minutes. Let's see. I've been going pretty hard, full throttle. Come here. Let's check it out. I've been going pretty hard, full throttle with it. It comes stock with a 3S 2600 milliamp battery. I haven't used it fully yet, so I can't tell you the kind of run time. But I just want to look inside. For the most part, it's pretty dry, man. Compared to the Spartan, this whole thing would be soaked. But even afterwards, if you wanted to clean this thing up, you know, you hose it up, that's why it's wet. I forgot to put this plug back in. So this is my fault. The inside of this should be dry. This is a drain plug for after you wash the boat out. I forgot to put this back in. Let's throw that in there. This thing is amazing. It would be totally dry if I didn't screw up. I forgot to put that drain plug back in. I'm gonna go home, clean it up. If you guys are interested on how to maintain a boat after running in salt water, I will put a link right here. And that's it, man. Thanks for watching.